Hello guys, welcome to Mac's blog. This is Mac, and today we are going to install handle lights in FZS. The first step is you have to make a hole on your handle, alright, so that we can pass out all the cables from left and right. Second thing, you have to do a welding of nut bolts. That notch, to bolt your lights, you have to do a welding. You can see the video. Alright, and the third step is you have to install your lights, and you have to take out all those cables from that small hole by the help of bending wire. Alright, the final one. So you have to choose the lights on two colors. So every lights have 3 wire and 2 colors. Alright, so for me it's the white I choose for headlights, and the second one orange I choose for side light. Alright, the third one we have to ground. Thank you so much, Sunday Bhai, for helping me. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Alright guys, please subscribe, so we have to rock on coming days. See you guys on next video.